Ever tear open a bag of chips, mesmerized by the salty, crunchy goodness? We devour snacks with gusto, but rarely ponder the origins of those irresistible flavors. Buckle up, food fans. We're diving deep into the secret lives of your favorite snacks. Get ready for a wild ride through factories, farms, and maybe even a chemistry lab or two. Hold on to your hats, things are about to get delicious. Let's face it, artificial flavor doesn't exactly scream exotic adventure. But the truth is, your snack ingredients are world travelers with intriguing backstories. Take the humble potato chip. Those spuds might have basked in the Idaho sun or braved the Andean highlands. And that tangy vinegar? It could be a seasoned veteran from the Carolinas or a fresh-faced newbie from Italy. Turns out, your snack bag is a passport to a global culinary adventure. Ready for a little game show action? Let's test your snack IQ. What gives your favorite cheesy puff that vibrant orange hue? Is it A, carrot extract, B, annatto seeds, C, a top-secret government concoction? If you guessed B, congratulations. Annatto, a seed from a tropical tree, is the secret behind that cheesy glow. Who knew? Stay tuned for more ingredient riddles as we unravel the mysteries of your favorite treats. Chocolate lovers, prepare to have your world rocked. Today we embark on a journey that will take us from the lush, tropical forests where cacao beans are born, all the way to the delightful moment when a piece of chocolate melts in your mouth. This is the Chocolate Odyssey. That creamy, dreamy chocolate bar you crave has a backstory more epic than a Tolkien novel. Imagine a tale filled with adventure, hard work, and a touch of magic. From the moment the cacao bean is harvested to the final product you savor, each step is a chapter in this epic saga. It all starts with cacao beans, grown in tropical climates and harvested by hand. These beans are the seeds of the Theobroma cacao tree, a plant that thrives in the humid, shaded environments of countries like Ghana, Ecuador, and Indonesia. Farmers carefully select and harvest the ripe cacao pods, a task that requires both skill and patience. Once harvested, the beans undergo a transformation. They are fermented, a process that can take up to a week, allowing the beans to develop their complex flavors. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry, a crucial step that reduces their moisture content and prepares them for roasting. Roasting is where the magic truly begins, as the heat unlocks the beans' intense, rich flavors. Then comes the magic grinding, conching, and tempering transform the beans into the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate we know and love. Grinding breaks down the cacao nibs into a fine paste, while conching further refines the texture and flavor. This process can take several hours to several days depending on the desired quality of the chocolate. Finally, tempering ensures that the chocolate has a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when you break it. Next time you indulge, remember the incredible journey those beans took to reach your taste buds. From the hands of dedicated farmers to the skilled artisans who craft each bar, every piece of chocolate is a testament to the passion and expertise that goes into its creation. So, savor each bite and appreciate the Odyssey that brought this delightful treat to you. Section 5. The Salty Surprise Unveiling Potato Chip Secrets. The potato chip. A symphony of crunch, salt, and pure satisfaction. But have you ever wondered how that humble spud transforms into the perfect chip? It's a high-stakes game of precision and timing. Potatoes are sliced paper-thin, then whisked away on a whirlwind tour of bubbling oil. The perfect crunch depends on factors like potato variety, oil temperature, and even the air pressure during frying. Who knew so much science went into your snacking pleasure? Section 6. The Science of Crunch Engineering the Perfect Bite. Speaking of crunch, let's talk about the science behind those satisfying sounds. Have you ever wondered why some snacks have that perfect, irresistible crunch while others fall flat? It's not just by chance, there's a whole world of science dedicated to creating that perfect bite. Food scientists are like culinary wizards conjuring up the perfect crunch factor for every snack. They work tirelessly in their labs, surrounded by beakers, test tubes, and an array of snacks, all in the pursuit of that ideal texture. These experts combine their knowledge of chemistry, physics, and even biology to engineer snacks that deliver the ultimate sensory experience. They study factors like cell structure, moisture content, and even the way air pockets are distributed within the snack. By examining the microscopic details, they can determine how a snack will behave when bitten into. The cell structure, for instance, plays a crucial role in how a snack breaks apart and how it feels in your mouth. And it's not just about the structure. The speed at which you bite down can also affect the crunchiness. Scientists measure the force and speed of bites to ensure that every snack provides a consistent and satisfying crunch. They even use high-speed cameras to capture the exact moment a snack breaks, analyzing the footage to perfect their recipes. All this to ensure your chips crackle just right, creating that delightful sound that makes your mouth water. The crackling sound is a result of the snack's structure breaking apart in a specific way, and scientists fine-tune this to perfection. And your pretzels snap with authority, giving you that satisfying feeling of breaking something crisp and fresh. The snap of a pretzel is engineered to be just right, not too hard and not too soft, providing a perfect balance. So next time you hear that satisfying crunch, remember that it's not just a happy accident. It's the result of meticulous research and precise engineering. Every bite you take is a testament to the hard work and dedication of food scientists who strive to make your snacking experience perfect. Give a silent nod to the science behind it, and appreciate the effort that goes into every crunchy bite. From the lab to your mouth, the journey of a snack is a fascinating blend of art and science, all aimed at engineering the perfect bite. Section 7. My Snacking Confessions, a Personal Journey. Now it's time for a little confession. You see, snacking has always been a significant part of my life. It's not just about satisfying hunger, it's about the joy, the comfort, and the little moments of indulgence that make life sweeter. As a self-proclaimed food aficionado, I've had my fair share of snacking adventures. From the classic potato chips to exotic treats from around the world, I've tried them all. Each snack tells a story and each bite is a new experience. I've been known to demolish a bag of salt and vinegar chips in one sitting, savoring the tangy, salty crunch with every bite. It's a guilty pleasure that I just can't resist. And yes, this often leaves a trail of crumbs in my wake, a telltale sign of my snacking escapades. It's a small price to pay for the joy it brings. I've even been caught sneaking bites of cookie dough straight from the bowl. There's something so irresistible about the sweet, creamy texture of raw cookie dough that makes it impossible to wait for the cookies to bake. Hey, we all have our weaknesses. Snacking is mine, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. It's these little indulgences that add flavor to our lives and create memories with friends and family. But learning about the fascinating journey of snack ingredients has given me a newfound appreciation for every bite. From the farm to the factory and finally to our tables, each snack has a story of its own. Understanding the effort and creativity that goes into making these treats makes them even more special. I've started to explore local markets and try my hand at making my own snacks. It's a rewarding experience to create something delicious from scratch, knowing exactly what goes into it. Baking cookies, making granola bars, or even experimenting with new recipes has become a fun and fulfilling hobby. It's a way to connect with food on a deeper level and appreciate the process behind it. Sharing these homemade snacks with friends and family brings a sense of joy and accomplishment. It's a way to show love and care and to create lasting memories together. So, while my snacking confessions may seem trivial, they are a part of my personal journey. They remind me to savor the little things in life, to appreciate the effort behind every bite, and to share these moments with the people I love. And that, my friends, is the essence of my snacking adventures. It's not just about the food, it's about the experiences, the stories, and the connections that come with it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Section 8. Snacking Smarter, Tips for Savvy Consumers. Now that we've peeked behind the curtain of the snack food industry, let's talk about being savvy snackers. Reading ingredient lists can be like deciphering ancient scrolls, but it's worth the effort. Look for snacks with recognizable ingredients and minimal processing, and don't be afraid to experiment. There's a whole world of delicious and nutritious snacks out there just waiting to be discovered. Section 9. Until next snack, the adventure continues. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour through the secret lives of your favorite snacks. We've explored far-flung lands, delved into the science of crunch, and even confessed our deepest snacking desires. But the journey doesn't end here. Every time you reach for a snack, remember the incredible journey those ingredients took to reach your taste buds. Happy snacking!